Welcome to tutorial key point 7, the last of the ordinary tutorial key point videos. I will be putting another one up next week on revision. This coming week you need to get your final ETMA in. The deadline is Wednesday, but I'd urge you to try and get it over with as soon as you can and out of the way and to me, so that you can concentrate exclusively on revision. You've already accumulated a number of marks, and that plus what you get in this coming tutorial will give you part of your result. But we all start from scratch when it comes to the examination. So get the TMA out of the way, get on to revision. Now, on the TMA itself, the advice in your module guides is very useful. There is an emphasis on argument and evaluation. Look carefully at what is being asked for, and I'm looking to see lots of evidence that you have a thorough knowledge of the two subjects that the TMA deals with, and that you are able to back it up with good, well-reasoned arguments, good evaluation of those arguments, and good use of cases and other source material which lead on to your conclusions. In this final tutorial, we're also looking at those final units and the offences that's involved. Again, work through that, do the consolidation exercises. I would say look very carefully at the offence of burglary. It's an easy trap. Some people could fall into that trap by thinking there is just one offence of burglary. If you look at section 9, you will see that there are two separate offences and with their own actus reus and mens rea. Make sure that you have distinguished between the two offences of burglary. But as with the other things, it's logically going through, working out what the actus reus is, what the mens rea is, and any defences. So revision is the big topic. So as soon as you can, be getting into reviewing everything that you've done. Draw out the relationships between the things that you've done. Now, I sent you the slides in the last week that I'll be using for the final revision tutorial in a week's time. Do look through them. It's all nice and structured. There's no originality in what I've done there, but what I've done is shown where they link together and how each unit, or sets of units for some of them, fit together. And if you see things in bold, it's because they have a particular importance. So draw out the relationships, review, and condense. Condensing information is the key to remembering it. So you've, I hope, got pages and pages of notes which you want to make into smaller notes and focus on the essence of particular offences, the actus reus, the mens rea, and defences, of arguments, of ideas in constitutional law, and where there are flow diagrams, as with judicial review, that can take you through the various stages, make sure that you know those. The exam is going to be testing what you know, but merely memorisation of facts is not going to be enough. It's how effectively you can evaluate, how well you can develop and support an argument, and how logical and thorough are you in solving legal problems. So review, relationships, condense, and practice the different ways of solving different types of problem within the W201 course. Well, I hope I'll see as many of you as can get to the revision tutorial on the in a week's time, and All the very best with your work.